everyone, kung bagong bonding activity with barkada naman ang hanap ninyo, nako, sagot na yan ni Maui. Dahil dito lang to sa Mandaluyong, isang rock climbing facility ang kanyang natuklasan. Mau, let's get physical this Thursday morning!
Good morning mga kapatid! Naku, ito sobrang excited ako kasi ang ganda ng feature natin for this morning kasi dito malalaman at makikita kung meron ba talaga tayong lakas or strength para gawin ang ating challenge for today at activity for today. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Climb Central Manila, dito sa Mandaluyong City. I am so excited to try. Kita niyo naman po ang aking background. Talagang ready na siya. Ako na lang iniintay. Pero para pag-usapan po kung ano nga ba ang meron pa dito sa Climb Central Manila, tawagin po natin ngayong umaga si Miss Sabrina Go. Hi, Miss Sabrina! Hello. So, okay, si Miss Sab po yung duty officer dito sa Climb Central Manila. Kabatiin niyo po ating mga kapatid.
Hello!
Good morning!
Good morning!
Okay, Miss Sab, tell us more about Climb Central Manila.
Okay, so Climb Central Manila, it's a climbing gym. We have four types of climbing here. We have the auto belays, belay safe, we have a LEED certified wall, and a bouldering wall.
Ayun. Okay, ang tanong ko is kita naman this is a physical activity.
Yes.
Meron bang vision and mission ang Climb Central Manila?
Okay, so basically our vision and mission is anyone can climb. We want to be able to provide the community a space to climb and just enjoy and be with a lot of climbers.
Yes.
So it's mostly it, yeah.
Okay. So, syempre climbing, nakikita mo may strength na kasama yan.
Yes.
Pero maliban sa climbing na ino-offer nyo dito, ano pa po ang ibang activities?
Okay, so aside from climbing, we do have a lot of events that we integrate with climbing.
Ayun.
So we do have, like if it's Valentine's Day, we do a thing for Valentine's Day.
So may mga pakulo kayo
Yes,
pag
we have a
special
lot.
occasion.
Yes.
Okay, eto, sino at anong edad po ang pwedeng mag-try? Kasi siguro bawal to sa may mga injury. Meron bang restrictions at ano pong ages yung pwede?
Okay, so we do have the vision and mission that anyone can climb,
Yun.
but the restrictions with that is just for the equipment. So
Yes.
if you're too light, it may be hard for you to
Climb
get
up.
lowered.
Oh, to get lower,
Yeah. So the age limit, youngest can climb is 5. So it just really depends on the height and the weight.
Okay.
But if they're fine with that, then anyone
Okay.
can climb.
So
yeah.
tama ba may weight limit and may age limit? Okay, ayan. Meron po bang advantage? I'm sure meron. Ano ba yung advantage ng pagka-climb, nag-rock climb?
Yeah, so it's really climbing. You use all of your body, so it's from your head up, head to toe. So when you climb, you not only just use your the whole body, but you actually use your mind. You get creative. So it's healthy and you get to socialize as well. It's a very
Pero dito ba, I mean, maliban sa paggamit po ng ating arms at legs, kailangan ba yung core mo, yung strength mo, malakas din?
It's not a requirement.
Okay.
So you could use it to your advantage, but
Okay.
it's not a requirement. Anyone
Yes!
can climb.
Okay, pasok tayo mga kapatid kasi walang-wala tayong core strength. Diba? Okay, ito pa ang gusto kong malaman. Usually dito, kasi may rates to eh. Is
Yes.
this per hour? Paano po yung rate nyo?
So our rates are for a day pass, it's $8.50.
Okay.
But if it's your first time to climb or come here, you get 2 weeks only climbing.
Okay, at saka I'm sure merong mag-guide pag
Yes.
first time.
Yes.
Okay, at saka ang ganda nga ng tagline. Tagline is anyone can climb. Again, Miss Sab, thank you sa information na nabigay nyo ngayong umaga. Mamaya po, babalik tayo. Kaya dyan ka lang, Miss Sab. Alam niyo na mga kapatid, hindi tayo pagkain ngayon, so hindi siya tikiman time. We will try it. Okay, kaya dyan lang kayo. Magbabalik po ang On The Go. But for now, back to the studio muna.
At ngayon naman balikan natin si Maui na ready na i-try ang rock climbing. Nako, na-try ko na rin yan, Maui. Excited ako para sa iyo. Kailangan magpaka-catwoman ka muna. Di ba? Yan bang peg mo today?
Good morning mga kapatid! Ayan, nandito pa rin tayo sa Climb Central Manila, dito po sa Mandaluyong City. And katabi ko pa rin, si Miss Beautiful, si Miss Sab. Okay, Miss Sab, this time tayo ay talagang mag-rock climbing na. Dito matitest ang ating galing at strength sa pag-aakyat, no? So ito, excited ako kasi mukha siyang intimidating pero malalaman natin kung talagang intimidating ba. Okay, Miss Sab, a few tips before magsimula tayo.
Okay, so few tips. Do safety clicks. You want to make sure you're locked in, just squeeze test. Another one would be to kick the wall. It would help so that you wouldn't spin around.
Yes.
And what would be the last one?
Have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
Have fun. Ayun, okay, let's get started. What is the first
Okay.
step? Siyempre, dito muna tayo sa pang-beginner, ha? Kasi sisimula lang tayo, mga kapatid. Okay, ayun, safe.
Yes.
Okay,
And then
so
back
kanina tinuruan ako ng mga call signals, tama
Yes.
ba? Or call signs.
Yeah.
Okay, so climbing.
Climbing,
Okay.
and I'll say
Ito,
climb.
magsa-start tayo.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, climb.
Climb on.
Ito na, mga kapatid, wish me luck. Uy. Ayun. Okay, next. Kailangan tinitignan natin kung saan tayo kakapit at saan tayo aapak. Hindi pwedeng go lang ng go. Okay. Ah. Okay, lapit na. Ayun. Okay. Parang kaya ko pa to. Wow! Ay! Ah! Taas na ba? Wait, parang hanggang dito na lang ako. Okay, ready na? Down? Okay,
Okay, let
ready?
go,
Down. So
Miss
pag nagda-down po, kailangan daw i-let go pero hawak sa rope. So sa mga hindi marunong mag-let go dyan, alam nyo na. Okay, ready?
Okay, let go.
Okay, down.
Kick the wall. Good job, Miss Maui.
Uy! Yeah! I'm so happy! Okay ba, Miss Sam?
Okay.
Okay, wow! Sabi nag-enjoy ako. Mukha lang siyang intimidating, ha? Pero hindi. Wait,
not.
nakakapayat din ba to?
It can be a...
Pwede. You can
Yes.
lose calories.
Pwede
Kasi
po.
parang konting climb pa lang, mga kapatid, talaga pinawisan na ako. Okay, nakakatuwa. Miss Sab, I'm sure marami nang excited i-try to, lalo na yung mga gustong mag-bring ng sexy back at talaga gustong i-enhance yung kanilang lakas at strength. Paano kayo mahanap at saan?
Okay, so we have Instagram and Facebook at Climb Central Manila. Follow us there and we will accommodate you guys.
Ayun. At saka nakita ko may second floor kayo.
Yes, we have a bouldering wall as well. So if you want to boulder, we have that for you guys.
Okay, and then recap lang natin magkano po yung rates niya dito sa mga gusto mag-try agad at pwede po ba walk-in?
Yes, pwede walk in. It's $8.50 for a day pass, so you get to climb the whole day. You can go out to eat, work, and come back. We're just here for you guys. And you have the only climbing for 2 weeks as a newbie.
Ayun, at saka pwedeng-pwede yung dalhin ang inyong pamilya, ang inyong mga friends. This can be a very, very nice bonding activity, diba? Gusto niyo yung formang-formado ko, so if you cannot perform, Japorms! Yan ang ating peg for today, but I'm so happy kasi at least mukhang at least 1/3 ako.
Yes.
Or half. And in fairness, it's my first time, kaya kung kaya ko, mga kapatid na walang ka-experience, kayang-kaya nyo rin. Alright, and that is it for this morning's On The Go. Lisa, thank you so much. And thank you so much, Climb Central Manila. Thank you, On The Go. See you sa next one. Back to the studio. Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.